Best Solar Installation Company, Greater Heights, Texas, 281-612-8998. Thank you for checking out this video about Best Solar Installation Company, Greater Heights, Texas in Houston. Call us now if you want solar panel installation for your house or business. Our phone number is 281-612-8998. We are available to assist you with installations and repair work of solar panels. Also, today we are going to learn more about no-cost solar panels. Are they actually totally free? Most of the times, cost-free solar panels or no-cost solar panel installation are actually not free. They are part of a third-party ownership arrangement. That is, a solar company will own the panels, and you will rent them from the company. While these deals might seem fantastic, they do have their downside. The drawback is that you'll need to pay a month-to-month rate to lease the panels. There are likewise escalator clauses that can increase the cost without warning. The good news is that a lot of credible solar panel companies provide financing alternatives to really help you stay clear of spending for the preliminary installation and design. A number of companies, such as the one we recommend in the description, have zero-down funding alternatives. However, you'll may need to do a lot of research study before deciding on which alternative is best for your home. You can get info about the regional benefits offered by your utility, along with the programs available at your state or local level. Also, talk to your regional Better Business Bureau. Solar panel leases, how to go solar with less upfront expense. Solar leases enable people to go solar with less upfront cost. These are long-term agreements that are usually a couple of years in length. Normally, the payment will be the same as the month-to-month electricity costs. Nevertheless, there are times when the solar lease will be more costly than purchasing the solar panels outright. The upfront expenses of going solar panels can be low, especially if you qualify for a federal solar tax credit. You can likewise minimize interest by using a loan, however you will need to make month-to-month payments. Regardless of your funding option, you will have to keep an eye on the efficiency of your solar panels. There are two kinds of solar finance choices: leasing and a power purchase agreement. A solar lease is a contract where you commit to making periodic month-to-month payments. It is normally for a minimum of 15 years. In addition to a set payment, you will also invest in the installation, performance monitoring, and upkeep of your solar panels. When purchasing a solar power system, you will need to have to decide if you want to buy the system outright or sign a solar lease. Leasing is a great choice for people who do not have a lot of money to invest or who are not positive that their home will be their permanent home. Numerous companies have stipulations that enable you to buy your system outright at the end of the solar lease. However, this is a hard and slow procedure. Depending upon your credit history, you may not be able to buy out your solar lease early. Trying to find free solar panels? Try funding your system with a solar loan instead. If you're wanting to purchase a solar panel system, it's a great tip to check out solar loans. These loans are offered by solar businesses. This way, you can find a loan that fulfills your needs and can conserve you cash. The very best loan is one that provides a zero down payment. You can likewise compare quotes from different providers to find the right deal for your spending plan. A solar panel calculator can really help you figure out how much your solar power system will cost and how it will save you on your utility costs. This tool considers your roof size and regional climate condition. It likewise consists of the amount of federal tax credit you're eligible for. In addition to solar loans, you might wish to think about a house equity credit line, HELEC. HELEC is a kind of credit that works similarly to a charge card. When you utilize the line of credit, you can withdraw cash as needed. Nevertheless, the rates of interest may be higher than other kinds of solar loans. Lower your upfront expense with federal and regional solar incentives. Getting your house solar panel system is an excellent method to help in reducing your energy costs. In addition, you can also benefit from a federal tax credit and rebates to lower the upfront cost of setting up a solar power system. These energy savings can range from a few dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. However, before you purchase a solar energy system, make certain to take a look at the incentives readily available in your area. Best Solar Installation Company, Greater Heights, Texas, 281-612-8998.